Well, hello one more time. Thought I would add a few more minutes in a separate video to show the finish up of this. As you can see, I got my wooden dowel in there, and it looks pretty good. We'll just get the other leg done, and I'll show you what I did. The inside of the thigh is a little bit too tight. We're right in the middle here. So what I did was I took a rat tail file, round file, stuck it in there, and just kind of worked it around a little bit to widen the hole through out a little. There was also some plastic flashing in there from the casting, or from the plastic molding process that needed to come out. And I think that'll take care of it. Got our little peg. Another dowel that I made. And we'll color that up and we'll get it in there. Let's make sure it'll fit. Come on. There we go. It fits in there good. Now we'll take our silver marker, color it up. Oops. Just had a thought that occurred to me. Sanding the sides of the dowel would make it smoother and maybe make the effect a little better. But due to the translucency of the leg, it's not really transparent, it's more translucent. Probably won't be noticeable. Okay, so put leg back on. Stick, oops. One more thing I should have pointed out. Get a little bit of dirt inside of there. Clean that out a bit so it looks better, so that you don't have a chunk of dirt in there. It makes it look crappy. Stuff this rag in here. Twist her around a little bit. That's better. Go from the other end as well. Corner, where's the corner? There it is. And these blue shop towels are awesome for this for all kinds of things too. I highly recommend them. They cost a little bit, but they're great for working on cars. They're great for working on this kind of stuff. Many, many uses. My laboratory could not function without them. Okay. Now let's put his leg back on. And stick the peg in there. And put his foot back on. And bingo. There we have it. 2 bionic legs. Actually, I think that looks better than the original Mike Power did. Anyhow, I intend to do the same thing to the arms. And maybe figure out a way to make them bicep pigs look a little better too. Anyhow. Thanks for watching.